Alright, so here is one of those 100cc, well, they list it as 100cc kits. The steel sleeve, the upgrade head, all that stuff. So, it's on a 80 China doll bottom. So, we're going to take a look at it. People said this one's really good. I have no idea. I haven't opened it up yet. We're going to pull the head and stuff. This is all the stuff that came with it. Pretty typical. First thing I noticed is this has no slag in it or anything. I did take it off already, but there's nothing in it. You get a lot of them where the weld slags in it. They give you a 4-bolt one, the guard everyone throws. One thing that also was different is this. It's not chrome plated, but it is galvanized. So that's a little different. But yeah, all your typical stuff. They did do one of the double welded tanks, and it is copper coated. So the whole inside looks nice and stuff. Not all rusted right out of the package. They do give you a little instruction book that does nothing. Now this got me. This is one of the new NT carbs. And take a look at that. Now look at this. They actually put the O-ring in it. And they got this new funky, clamping thing here. So I kind of upgraded this a little. And it has a little push button drainage bowl. So kind of interesting. I haven't seen one of these look like this yet, so this is my first one. But yeah, they nicely machine this too. It's not just cast, so that's pretty cool. So anyways, we'll pull the head bolts and I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright, so the first thing I'm noticing is there's a little bit of corrosion on the top of that. This is one of those rough spun heads. It's got grinding dust in it. Check that out. Alright, let me dig into this a little more. So the one that came has very light corrosion here and there. Cylinder itself looks great. The piston, though, on the other hand, has it. And I'm not sure if this is grinding dust. This is grinding dust. This thing actually has grinding dust from when they did this bore. So that's what's going on here. I don't think I've ever seen that before. But yeah, this stuff's dust. I'm actually picking up grinding dust out of this. So, I don't know if anyone else had that with this one. I'm going to clean it all down and get all that crap out. But anyways, I'm looking down in here. And the ports are partially closed. Like most of these. Now, most of these jugs are coming where they put a cast material in them and they spin them. And the casting material sticks to the jug. And apparently this one's made in India. And this one's actually pressed in. So we'll see if that's true or not at some point down the road. But all in all, the transfers and stuff really are not that bad. They're pretty clean. A little smaller than, what they should be. But that seems to be par for the course with these. So, anyways, I am not going to grind this out or any of that stuff. we're gonna run this as is, break it in first, and see how it runs. But I'm gonna clean this all up, get it together, and then we'll do the break-in, run it for a week or so, and see how this goes. But anyways, let me see what else we got in this. So this gasket's being a pain on the backside. I don't want to break it. The gears are dry, so no grease. That's typical par for the course. One other thing to note about this kit is they did pre-lube everything, except for the one thing that really needs freaking lubrication. So anyways, we're going to reassemble that, but I just wanted to show you the wrist pin bearing and stuff came lubed. So okay guys, so here is the first big no-no. Anyways, the top ring is halfway free. It's kind of like, it's the grinding compound, and the bottom ring is completely locked in place, which is like really bad. So there's the first big, we're gonna clean all this crap out and stuff, get this all done up. But that's the first big, oh my. If you were to run that, it would completely screw up the engine right off the gate. So, damn. Here's where we're at. I cleaned the top up. I ground it down. By the way, if you sand these, make sure you don't get cut on this edge. It is very sharp now. So anyways, I just cleaned up the port a little. I didn't do anything fancy, didn't polish it, nothing. I just ground them so they're all the same all the way around. So came out pretty decent. I also resurfaced this. Of course, you know, I did the window and the piston. So I'm going to be putting a Reed valve on, which I'll be using one of these. And we'll go from there. I still have to do the inside bore of this. I have a hone stone, because if you see, there's like little tiny crap there. So it's like rusty fingerprints almost. So we're gonna lap that one time, and then I'm gonna put this back together. And we'll see if it runs. Alright, so I was gonna install the Reed block for the Dio Reed, and these two fins are gonna hit, so I gotta smooth those out a little. So yeah, I did have it hit. We can see it just goes by. That sucks. so we had a little clearance issue. I do not anymore. Alright, let me put this together now. Alright, so for all those that don't know, it is true, a guy bought the YD100 alcohol build. Came in cash in hand, so out it went. So this is the replacement, and it's one of those 100cc steel sleeve kits, and we're going to see how it runs. It's the first start. Ooh. To adjust the carb. Just barely idling. Let's see if we can adjust that quick. I think this one was just unscrewed out when it cleaned it, so. There we go.
Have to turn in and see where we're at. Sounds a little better. Pretty responsive. Alright. You know, I believe gotta be getting close. Forgot about that when I unscrewed that. Oh, there, that sounds better. He's on the phone. Stupid! Fucking idiot. Yeah, now it's too high. Sounds better. Well, hey, it's not bad for a first start. So I'm not going to get crazy with the carb. Start to really worry about that after like 2 tanks. As long as it's rideable. I think we'll back that out some. rideable till we get through the braking. Then we'll really set it. And now I just gotta baby it. Feels peppy. Not too bad.